Good morning, and we are starting our morning with a rainbow. Woot! What do you think of this rainbow?
Bigger now.
That's what she said. But it starts there and ends over here. It's a baby rainbow. I feel like I could touch this rainbow. It's so bright. I keep recording it and taking pictures because I'm just obsessed. And of course, you know, with Hawaii in the background, it's not much, can't really brag. So I decided to come up to the top deck, a little bright, so I could get shots of the rainbow from the top. Definitely worth it. Juice. I like juice with champagne in it.
Oh, mimosa?
Yes, please.
I just already ordered a mimosa, so I think it's coming.
Oh, okay.
You and that blue parfait.
I love it. It's my favorite.
I'm gonna get that profile here. Look at those defined layers. What kind of omelet did you get?
Ham and cheddar cheese with extra cheese.
Mmm. Beautiful. This. Wow. What a sail-in, Jason.
Oh, that's nice.
Beautiful.
Sail-in is lovely.
Jason, we made it off.
We made it.
We're in Hilo. What a beautiful port. That's where the tours go. That's where the normal people go on a couple other tours.
There's pictures there. You could probably take some nice pictures at Carl Smith Beach. That one's, to me, that's a nice place to take. It's right on the water. Oh, we had this going on today. Oh, it's Lay Day today. Hey, May 1st. That's why Lay Day.
Ah,
Oh my gosh.
holy moly. Wow. I'm so excited, Jason. Like, so excited. I'm so excited. Look at these. You might die. Well, these are those bowls.
Oh my god, I can't eat any of this.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. Looks like. I mean, how fun is this? Hi! Kathleen, I'm getting a unicorn cone. I'm so excited. And poor Jason's working. A unicorn cone. I'm so excited. This is just beautiful. Can't wait to see this. Oh my god, Jason. Oh my god. Yay! Oh my god. You guys know I'm a real sucker for street art. But time to go back to the Uber. Hello, Hawaii. Alright. And here is where we are. And how about having a pool almost entirely to ourselves? Snacks here. They absolutely are. I think we're gonna head over to the hot tub because it just looks very inviting. So after a little lunch and solarium, we're in the Persian garden. All right, now it is spa time. This is what one of the treatment rooms look like. It's a little dark. And mine has a shower because I will be doing a wrap.